So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to talk about MyPal. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first guys, how can you download this MyPal? So just use your Android and then search it on Play Store guys, the MyPal Pro. So after that, install it and then sign up, verify your account, your email or your cell phone guys. They have two options, physical card and a virtual card that you can choose guys. Okay? For example, you don't want the physical, you can go and apply for virtual card guys. Promo price is 1U only guys, okay? And then the physical card is 100 USDT guys. Okay? So no management fee, supports global POS transaction, global ATM withdrawals with fee only of 1.7%. So you don't need all of those exchange guys. Just transfer your funds here in USDT form or USDR, USDT and USDT guys, and then you can use it all around the world guys. Okay? Simple as that. You can top up here. For example, I'm going to top up guys. Okay? So the TRC20 or the BEP20 guys. You can scan this one or copy this one. Okay? So let's copy this address and let's go to BitGet guys. Alright guys, so our top up has been successfully guys. Let's go back on the MyPal and check whether if it's already there. So guys, we only get 8.5 with a 15 or 10 USDT guys. So 8.5 USD with a tax when you top up guys. Okay? So now we can use this guys, or you can also exchange this, okay, on USDT, USD. So whatever you want, and you can withdraw this also guys. Okay? As simple as that. You can use it together with your card or your virtual card guys. Okay? So you can transfer your funds also. There's available global remittance supported in 80 plus countries, support 40 plus wallets. Guys, okay, supports 38 fiat currency, support 200 plus cryptocurrency guys. So Singapore, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Oceania guys. Okay? So in your account, you can verify via KYC authenticator guys. Okay? They have a level 1 verification, okay, and then the level 2. So on level 1, support from some virtual and physical cards, e-bank wallet, remittance. So level 2, verification, support for more virtual and physical cards, e-bank wallet, remittance, no management fee for life, 5 USDT per month, and spending limit increased to 20,000 USD per transaction. And then ATM withdrawal limit increased to 3,750 USD per day guys. Okay, so you need to have a KYC guys, coupon, language settings. So become ambassador, available, follow on Twitter guys. You can follow their Twitter here inside the MyPal guys. And also guys, they have invite friends to earn up to 40% commission plus 10% referral commission. The more friends you invite, the higher the rebate level guys. So from VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4 guys, you have remittance rebate of 0.25%. So this is your invitation code guys. Okay, you can copy this one, share it to your friends, or the link itself. You can share it to your friends, post it on Twitter, Facebook, whatever you like guys. Okay. So again, this is the MyPal wallet. You can download it on the Play Store. You can top up using TRC20, BEP20, or the Binance Pay guys. Okay? And guys, let me remind you again that the minimum deposit amount is 0.1 USDT. Top up completion, so 10-10 network confirmation and withdrawal unlocks 10-10 network confirmation guys. Only USDT BEP20 deposits are accepted at this address. Okay? And also on TRC20, only USDT TRC20 deposit are accepted at this address. So you can't do TON or any coins guys, just USDT. You can't top up anything guys like USD or BTC guys, just USDT. Okay? So just to be clear, And also, to apply this here, so just click the apply button if you want physical card, guys. You will need to pay the shipping price, your region, first name, last name, ID tab, and ID number. And then you need to pay at least 100, you guys. And then the virtual card that you can use on the counter to buy coffee, guys, is $1, guys, only. The same as the physical, you can put your country here, first name, last name, ID type, and then ID number, guys. Okay? So, I think that's all about this MyPal, guys. If you want to use your crypto in the real world, guys, without using any exchange, this is the key for that, guys. So this is MyPal. So again, this is Hussein. If you want to learn more about this application, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, and hit the notification bell to be able to learn more about my channel. So again, this is Crypto Hussein. Bye-bye.